નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, this is part 8 of chapter 4, parts and wholes, standard 5th mathematics. In the last part, we played a game and solved puzzles, isn't it? Here also we are going to solve some puzzles. Before that, you should keep your notebook textbook with you, and that to be on the page number 61. So let's try to solve some puzzles. Next puzzle is guess and check. Okay, so first one, A. What part of each shape is colored? First guess the answer, then check. Okay, see here there is, can you see how many sides are there? Let's see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. So total 8 sides are there. That means it is a octagon, isn't it? And if we do like this, see, you must be able to see this. Okay, see, if we part like this, then we can see the parts are total 8 parts. Okay, total 8 parts are there. Now by this time I will not give you answer, just you guess. This blue color, it is what part of this complete octagon? Okay, so guess that. Then here you can see in the second, here also there is a red part, है ना, of big rectangle. Okay, and we want to see what part of each shape is colored. So this red color, let me give you a hint. Now I hope you must have understood this, है ना, and what part is colored. Let's go for the next. Here also let me give you hint. Okay, then after you will decide. Can you see? Okay, here also there is a hint for you. This is third, this is fourth. Okay, this is a hint for you. Do you get? चलिए आगे देखते हैं. So the answers are there. See, I hope you must have got the answer. And now let's answer this. See, in the first one, 1/8 part of the shape is colored. Okay, second one, 1/6 part of the shape is colored. आपका वही आंसर है क्या? 2/9 part of the shape is colored. And in the fourth, it is 4/15 of the shape is colored. We can check our guessed answer by dividing each shape into equal parts of size of the colored parts as shown below. चलिए अब आपको आंसर, ओरिजिनल आंसर देता हूं, ठीक है? Okay, see, it was first this one. Now here in this one you can see this is an octagon. Total 8 parts are there in the first one. Okay, total 8 parts are there, है ना, and 8th part, one of the 8, we can say one of the 8 is colored, so the answer is 1/8. Okay, in the second, total how many parts are there of this rectangle? Those are 6 parts, sorry, 6 parts are there, and out of that one part is colored out of 6 parts. So in the second, answer should be 1/6. In the third, total how many parts of this square? Total 9 parts. Okay, and 2 part, 1 and 2 part are colored, so 2 parts are colored out of 9, so 2/9 answer. Here total 15 parts are there, out of which 4 parts are colored. 1 2 3 4, isn't it? So 4 part out of 15. So 4/15 is the answer. Okay, let's go further. Now here, do you remember this picture? Look at the small triangle. What part of the square is it? How will you find this out? See this triangle. This triangle is what part of the complete square? This square. It is what part? Okay, वो हमको find out करना है. For that, divide the big triangles and other shapes into small triangles. Like the red one, ये जो red है उस टाइप का. How many small triangles are there all together? वो आपको करना है. तो पहले आप सोचिए, ठीक है, फिर आगे देखते हैं. To find the part occupied by red triangle in the whole square, we will divide the square into equal parts as shown below. So total, you can see here we get 16 small triangles. How many? 16 small triangles are there, and thus part of square in red color triangle is equal to, it is one part out of how many? 16. So 1/16. Okay, let's go further. Here another puzzle is there, colored parts. Complete these. देखिए, see total 1 2 3 and 4 circles are there. Okay, see in the first one there is a circle and it is divided into two equal parts. Can you see? Now let's see. This circle is divided into two equal parts. Out of blank equal parts, one part is colored blue. Now out of blank equal parts, out of two equal parts, one part is colored blue. So the answer will be out of two equal parts, isn't it? So here we can write 2. Then here the circle is divided into 4 equal parts, or not? 1 2 3 4. So circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Let me zoom this, okay, so that you can understand well. Okay, now it is very good. See, here is the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, blank parts are colored blue. Now blue colored are 1 and 2, so 2 parts are colored blue. Okay, so you got this answer. Now here third one. Here the circle is, देखो आपको इस तरीके से लिखना है. Here the circle is divided into, यहाँ पे लिखना है. Okay, circle is divided into how many equal parts? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 equal parts. Okay, so here the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Out of 6 equal parts, 3 equal parts is colored blue. 3 equal parts is colored blue. Okay, तो आपको इस तरीके से यहाँ पे लिखना है. देखो जो भी लिखना है वो यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे भी है. उसके यहाँ पे जो लिखा है वैसा ही यहाँ पे लिखना है, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा सा आंसर चेंज हो जाएगा. फिर इसको देखते हैं. देखो इसकी कॉपी ही मैं बोलूँगा, ठीक है. मैं यहाँ से रीडिंग करूँगा, आंसर इसका दूंगा. डू यू गेट मी? सो here the circle is divided. जो लिखा है here the circle is divided into how many? ये जो circle है is divided into how many equal parts? 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts, 4 parts, 1 2 3 4 parts are colored blue. Okay, इतना आपको पता चल गया, ठीक है. तो आगे देखते हैं. So we can say that 1/2 is equal to 2 upon blank is equal to ब्लैंक अपॉन 6 इज इक्वल टू ब्लैंक अपॉन 8। इसका आंसर बाद में दे, लेकिन आपको एक यहाँ पे वो याद रखना है कि सभी में ये 1 2 3 4 सभी में कैन यू सी हाफ पार्ट है, जो हाफ पार्ट है वो रेड है, हाफ पार्ट ब्लू है। चाहे उसके पार्ट कितने भी हो, लेकिन पूरा जो सर्कल है उसका आधा ब्लू है आधा रेड है। कैन यू सी दैट? इन दिस ऑल्सो आधा ब्लू है आधा रेड है। लेट इट बी देर आर 4 पार्ट्स, लेकिन पूरा सर्कल की बात करें तो आधा आधा है, इसमें भी आधा आधा सर्कल है, इसमें भी है कि नहीं। तो इस तरीके से हमारा आंसर होगा, ठीक है, वो आगे देखते हैं। So this circle is divided into 2 equal parts. Out of 2 equal parts, one part is colored blue here. Second, here the circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4 equal parts, 2 equal parts are colored blue. अगर इसको लिखना है blue part, then we can write, see here total one part is blue na, one part is blue out of 2 parts. Here in this one we can write 2 parts are blue out of 4 parts. Now 2 to the 4 isn't, that is why 1 upon 2. Okay, so this should be your answer, 1 upon 2. Can you see 1 upon 2 is over here also, and 1 upon 2 is over here also. Why? Because half circle is red and half circle is blue. That is why 1/2 is the answer. आई होप यू गोट दिस आइडिया। चलिए आगे भी देखते हैं। सी हियर द सर्कल इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स। आउट ऑफ 6 इक्वल पार्ट्स 3 पार्ट्स आर कलर्ड ब्लू। ओके, सो अगर इसको लिखना है तो हम क्या लिखेंगे? 3 पार्ट्स are blue out of how many parts? Total parts are 6. Now 3 to the 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. ओके, ये आपको याद रखना है। अगर आपको बताऊं तो आप फिर से यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं कि आधा सर्कल ब्लू है। यहाँ पे भी देखते हैं। Here this circle is divided into 8 equal parts. These are 8 equal parts. Out of 8 equal parts 4 parts are colored blue. 4 parts, देखो 8 है, then half of them that is 4 parts equal parts are blue. ओके, मतलब आधे ब्लू है आधे रेड है ना। सो फॉर दिस वन वी कैन राइट, 4 are blue out of how many? 8. Okay, so 4 to the 8, that is why answer is 1 upon 2, isn't it? And so we can say that 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 6. See here, 3 divided by 6 is equal to 4 divided by 8. ये 4 divided by 8 भी कितना हुआ? 1 upon 2 ही हुआ, ठीक है। तो ये सभी सेम है। I hope you got this idea. Okay, with this we are finishing this part, and if you could not understand this, then watch this video 2 to 3 times. So that you can get it. Okay, and we'll meet you in the next part. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.